Welcome to Fluent Flow Learning, where we teach English based on real life and strong foundations. Have long English words ever made you panic? Or maybe even short words feel confusing when you try to say them? That's because English words look long, but they sound much simpler when you break them into syllables, the beats of a word. So today, we're going to slow things down and focus on one simple skill that changes everything: hearing the beats in English words. By the end of this lesson, even long words will feel manageable. Before we go any further, let's start with the basics. A syllable is one beat of sound in a word. Think of it like a clap or a tap. For example, cat has one beat, table has 2 beats, beautiful has 3 beats. Each syllable comes from a vowel sound, not just a vowel letter. This matters because English spelling doesn't always tell you how a word should sound. Once you start listening for beats instead of letters, words begin to make more sense. Now let's take that idea and apply it to words you already use every day. Take the word window. It has 2 beats. Win-dow. Student also has 2 beats. Stu-dent. Family looks long, but it actually has 3 beats. Fam-ma-ly. And in natural English, it often sounds like family. Interesting has 4 beats when spoken slowly, but in everyday English, it becomes interesting. This brings us to something that often trips learners up. Even when you know the syllables, a word can still sound wrong. That's usually because of stress. Every English word has one stronger syllable. This is called word stress, and it plays a huge role in how natural your English sounds. Listen to these examples: table, student, beautiful. If the stress is in the wrong place, the word sounds unclear, even if every sound is technically correct. When syllables and stress work together, pronunciation becomes much easier. Take the word necessary. It may look long, but it really is just 4 beats. Necessary, with the stress on the first beat. Now look at interesting again. When spoken carefully, it's interesting. But in natural speech, it becomes interesting. The meaning stays the same, only the rhythm changes. This also explains why native speakers seem to talk so fast. They're not speaking faster on purpose. They're shortening or reducing certain syllables, especially in the middle of words. For example, interesting becomes interesting. Family becomes family. Chocolate becomes chocolate. Every becomes every. Once you understand the beats, these changes stop feeling confusing and start feeling logical. Let's pause here and practice together. Say each word slowly first, listening for the beats, then say it again naturally. Table, student, family, beautiful, necessary, interesting. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review what you learned today. You learned what syllables are, how vowel sound create beats, how stress shapes pronunciation, and why native speakers shorten words in everyday speech. Great work today! Remember, when you break words into beats, English becomes clearer, easier, and more natural. Keep practicing with the rhythm of each word, and you'll notice your pronunciation improving every single day. Thanks for learning with me here at Fluent Flow Learning. I'll see you in the next lesson.